Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, June the 30th, 2022, the last day in June. And let me remind you, tomorrow we have a speed test. We have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it a cijferblok. And the binary, yes, it's a binary time. All right, binary time. And this binary puzzle will be number 4780. 4780. Before I start, I always count the printed, not printed, but the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. I believe the one should be here. And 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Yes. We have here 3 ones, so I think the fourth one should be here between, exactly here, because we have 4 O's, and in the middle we have 1 1. Okay, double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Here, this is also an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then. Between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then we need to compare, I think. Yes. Need to compare. Question is, which row or column to compare? Do we have a double O here? Overlooked. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes a 1. Then 1 cannot compare this row. Double 1 cannot compare this row. Oh, cannot compare this one. 101 cannot compare it. So I need to compare the columns. Overlook something. This one and that one. 11001100 empty box, 11 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits, we have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Great binary. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Well, there's something in my throat. A rock, maybe. Let me drink something. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, 8 tectonic with 1 star. Thank you. Bye bye for now.